In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to your Wix store, allowing your customers to shop by category effectively. This is a great feature if you're looking to enhance your online store's navigation, making it easier for clients to find exactly what they're looking for amidst a wide array of products. So, let's get started and transform your store into a more user-friendly platform. To begin with, head over to the Wix.com setup page. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Wix dashboard to get things rolling. Once you're logged into your Wix account, look for the Setup option on your dashboard. This is where you'll find your main tools and options to customize your store. Once you're on the Setup page, the next step is to access the App Market. The App Market is essential because it offers a plethora of features and apps that enhance what your store can do. You'll typically find it in the sidebar of the Wix editor. Click on App Market to enter. After entering the App Market, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This search bar is your gateway to accessing various apps that can elevate your store. Type in Highlight in the search bar. As soon as you start typing, you'll see suggestions start to populate below. Be sure to select the correct one to ensure you're adding the appropriate feature to your store. Next, click on Highlight from the search results. This app is specifically designed to add filters and sorting options, making the shopping experience seamless for your customers. Clicking it will take you to its details, where you can read more about its features and benefits. Once you've clicked on Highlight, you'll be directed to its page. Here, you will find an option to Add to Site. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. This step is crucial as it starts integrating the app with your website. The final step is to agree to the terms and conditions before adding the app to your site. You'll see a button that reads, Agree and Add. Clicking this button solidifies the integration of the app into your Wix store. It's always a good idea to skim through these terms to understand the services provided, though they are generally standard for most apps. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully added filters that allow shoppers to search by category on your Wix store. This customization will not only enhance the user experience, but also potentially increase sales by helping visitors find exactly what they need. Remember, a smooth shopping experience often leads to satisfied customers, so investing time in such enhancements is well worth it. Happy customizing!